Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this Tamannaah Bhatia inspired makeup look. She posted it on Instagram a couple of days back and I instantly fell in love with this look. It looks so pretty, it's pink, it looks gorgeous and it's perfect for any special occasion. Also, before we get started with the makeup, you guys wanted to know about my shaving routine and I shot this video a couple of months back before the second wave started. I went to Rajbari and had an amazing time there. So I shot my shaving routine there, but I didn't get any time to edit it so far. So finally, here is the video. I thought of including my shaving routine in this video. I just thought that it might be interesting if I put it in some makeup video of mine so that you guys can enjoy my shaving routine as well as the makeup video. So I hope you enjoy watching my shaving routine and we will be back with a makeup tutorial a couple of minutes later. Also, yeah, I colored my hair recently. So if you want to see my hair transformation, it's on my Instagram, so do check it out. And my Instagram handle is Sush Dazzles. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. So now let's get started. I'm headed to a cocktail party and I'm wearing my LBD. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about my shave routine, how I shave my legs, my arms, so I'm going to shave now. I'm excited to show you the products that I use to achieve a soft and smooth skin, and this part of the video is sponsored by Avior by Let's Shave. So I generally wet the skin and apply the Avior whipped shave cream, and now I'm going to use the Avior 6 razor. It has got 6 sharp blades which hugs the curves of your body to give a clean and close shave. The oval shape of the cartridge is wide enough to remove maximum hair in one single stroke, so you really don't have to go over and over again on one area. My skin is very sensitive and it has got a moisturizing band surrounding the blades, and it's enriched with vitamin E, aloe vera, lavender extract, which soothes and moisturizes the skin and it does not cause any irritation. It's perfect for travel since it's got a sleek, portable enclosure and it shields the blade to maintain safety and hygiene. It's got a non-slip grip which is perfect for a shave in the shower or anywhere. I've also got the EVR 3 razor. The only difference is that it's got a 3-blade technology. It is specially designed for sensitive skin and the open flow cartridge provides easy cleaning and it extends the blade life. The razor has got a common docking system, so any EVR cartridge can fit in any EVR handle. Now this blade has got a protective comb and it does not allow the blade to touch the skin, so there are no chances of cuts, and it can also be used on dry area without a shaving cream. So if there's an emergency and you don't have a shaving cream but you have to do it anyway, since the hairs are cut bluntly so you do not get a close shave, and it also decreases the chances of ingrown hair, itching, redness or any kind of irritation. It's also got a lubricating strip infused with vitamin E, aloe vera, argan oil to protect the skin from any kind of irritation. I will link the products in the description box below so you can check it out. So guys, I just washed my face with the Dermavive Hydra cleanser. I have been using this cleanser since a very long time, and this is for sensitive skin conditions. It is SLS free, soap free, fragrance free, and my skin is sensitive whenever I apply a new product. There are chances that I might get bumps, but using this product I never got one, and it does not dry out my skin after I use it. Next is what I do every time I apply makeup. So this is my pre-makeup moisturizer and it is the Neutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. It soothes my skin instantly. It does not feel greasy or oily after application at all, and it's a very good pre-makeup moisturizer. Moisturizing your skin before makeup is very important so that there are no dry patches on the skin and your makeup can sit really well on your skin. For my primer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy+Smooth primer. I just got it from Nykaa and this is the first time that I'm going to be using it. I have heard great reviews about it. I'm going to be using the Nykaa SkinShield Anti-Pollution Foundation. This is in the shade Hot Honey. And the sponge I'm using is the Sigma sponge. I totally forgot to color correct my under eye area, so I'm going to do it now. I'm going to use the Sugar Face Forward Corrector stick. I'm using the PAC 272 brush to blend it. For the concealer, I'm going to use the Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer. And I'm taking the Sigma sponge and blending it. I love how beautifully the concealer blends, and I love this concealer. Now just to brighten up that area a little bit, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And whatever's left on the sponge, I'm just going to apply it on top of my eyelids. just to create a clean base for the eyeshadow. Now to set my under eye area, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I love this powder. This powder has a yellow base. When applied, it adds coverage and gives an airbrush finish. So I'm done with my base. Now I'm going to apply contour and blush. You guys asked me to use the Sugar Contour D4's face palette. So I already got this a long time back, but I forgot about it. So I'm going to be using the contour shade from this palette. And I'm going to be using the PAC 261 brush to apply my contour, but I'm not going to apply much contour because she does not have a lot of contour. So just a little bit, the slightest on my forehead and my jawline. Now for the blush, I'm going to use the Colorbar Cheekillusion blush. It is a really pretty shade. And I'm using the PAC 211 brush. A little bit on the nose and chin. Now I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to pick this beautiful peach shade for my crease area. And the brush I'm using is E006 from Cara. Now taking the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use this warm brown shade in the crease of my eyes. And taking the same eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use the dark brown shade on my entire eyelid. Again, taking a brush from Cara, this is the E007 brush. Now taking no extra product, I'm just going to blend the crease area a little bit, not putting any pressure on the brush. Now taking this pink eyeshadow, I am picking this shade with my fingers, then applying it in the middle of my eyes, and then going a little bit towards the inner corners. Now taking the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette, I'm going to use this shade on top of the other color. I'm just trying to get as close as possible to the shade that she's wearing because I don't have the exact shade. So sometimes you just have to mix and match the eyeshadows and work it out. And now taking this shade, just trying to get really close to that color. The base color came out to be perfect, but I need a little bit of sparkle. So I'm going to use the Lime Crime Diamond Dew eyeshadow. I'm just going to take some on my fingers and apply it on my eyes. Oh my god. So pretty. I'm just using the same dark brown shade that I applied on my entire lid and just intensifying my outer corner. For my under eye area, I'm going to use this shade. And again, taking the Huda Beauty palette, I'm going to add a little bit of this peach and apply just a little bit lower. She does not have a thick eyeliner going on, so I'm going to apply mascara and then I'm going to apply lashes. And for my mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I'm just going to apply one single coat because we are going to apply lashes. And I'm also going to apply it on my lower lashes. She definitely has a brown kajal on her lower lashes. So I'm going to take the Maybelline Line Tattoo Crayon Pen and I'm going to apply it on my waterline. For my lipstick, I am going to use the MAC Velvet Teddy. I'm just going to touch it on my lips. Next shade I'm going to use is from Makeup Revolution. This is in the shade Undress and I'm going to apply it on my lips. The lipstick shade is very similar to what she's wearing. Now I'm going to add a gloss on top of it. For the gloss, I'm going to use the Lime Crime Wet Cherry Gloss. And this is in the shade Extra Poppin'. And I'm going to apply it just a little bit in the middle of my lips. Now you can take any eyeshadow palette that you want which has a black. I'm going to take this black from the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This palette is in the shade Smokey and Highlight and I'm just going to take a pencil brush from Cara. This is the E010 brush and I'm just going to apply it just to cover this area where the lash does not cover so that it looks a little bit more smooth, and just go over the eyelash band. Now we're just going to apply a highlighter, and for the highlighter I'm going to use the Milani Make It Last setting powder, and this is in the shade Radiant, and this gives a beautiful glow to the face. And now for my brows, I'm going to take the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector, and I'm just going to fill in my brows. Okay, I totally forgot to use the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. So guys, we're done with this look. It is such a pretty look for any special event. This also looks so pretty if you're getting married, or if you have a reception to attend, or your own reception. Just imagine this with all the bridal jewelry and everything. This will look amazing. Alright guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'm going to be back with more videos. Till then, go forth and dazzle.